Hello guys, after a long time I sat on my cybersecurity table. Before few months I was working on some non-technological projects, but the cybersecurity, which is my main field, it's a primary category in my life that where I have done, I have earned, I have gained experience in this field. So I'm starting again. So while scrolling some data, I have seen that AI is now beyond what I have imagined before. The AI agents are doing everything the perfectly coded applications, which I can say where we can just speak, they will give the answers, where we can give them commands and they will execute it. That's a fantastic thing. So this video is only about the AIs, how a AI can help a ethical hacker, a bug finding hunter to gain knowledge, gain some exploits, gain some knowledge about the vulnerabilities and everything. Let's see. So the first thing I have seen that perplexity has the phenomenon to do many things. Why it's so bright? Just 1 minute. Who changed it, man? I did this thing. This is bright, dark. Ha! This is fantastic. Okay, I have seen, and thanks to the Airtel, because of Airtel, we got the Pro versions, and the Pro version has many other features. So first thing, I will go with the basic research that uh, bug bounty. Yeah, I will do one thing, and I want to go with some deep research topic, and the search engine I want to use social discussions, not financial things, and yeah, that's enough. So it says 3 minutes left to gather sources and create your project. And okay, uh, these are the sources. Okay, Tenable is there, patch stack is there. I think patch stack is good for the WordPress, but I hate WordPress. Bug bounty Tesla from the bug bounty. I love this software, man. It's better than the Google, I can say, but Google have because we from 20 years, 25 years, we are using Google just formally type something and will give the results. So we got habituated towards the thing. But here I'm getting sources, including I think I can also get the images. I have seen. Okay, it's going to take some minutes and analyzing high security vulnerabilities and expert from the 2025, including the Citrix, Chrome, and CISA. Okay, okay. Is request join? This is I think bug bounty. So, okay, CVE 2025 777 critical nets color vulnerability exploited in the wild and reported by Rapid 7. Sorry, not reported, posted. Let's see that how it's going to work. So I'm going to skip here until we get the good results. Okay, we got the final result here, and the major zero-day vulnerabilities actively exploited is 107 vulnerabilities, but CB, Windows, Kerberos, WinRAR, WinRAR. I I think WinRAR has a from a pretty group of backdoor deployment, and we can real world attack example WinRAR zero-day campaign 8088. Okay, the payload have all the things. Okay, this is fantastic. I want to just uh, click it and I want to add to it follow so I can just gain more information about this. Mm, GitHub exploit. So it's going to take again more 3 minutes. Dude, I need fast results. Romcom. Again, it has some images. Okay, okay, we have sources also. This tool is perfect what I have imagined. Uh, But WinRAR thing, okay, 7.13 immediate. And next color, RCE. Oh, both are same. I thought that Carborus and the next colors are the same here, but technical vulnerabilities breakdown, attack method, bad successor, technical and domain compromise reported by the hacker news. Okay, we will see it if we get the exploit from here. And CVSS reports shows that 8.4 high severity. This, I just don't need to find Google click by click, and I think here is the GitHub profile of someone have uploaded 2 weeks later, and here is the POC exploit. Oh yeah, I'm going to see it later, and I want you to add this thing into my space. So, uh, wait a minute. Can I rename the space? I want to rename it, please. Here. Mhm. Thank you, thank you. Okay, and go back to home. And the images is not going to answer the steps. Wait. After the research, I have seen something here. Yeah, Romcom APT group before the patches came available, they have reported an exploit mechanism using multiple part travel cell sequences like the payload to escape the intended directories. Okay, uh, available exploits from many people have Python-based exploit generator with advanced configuration. No, I don't need that thing. I have already found, and here is the usage. Okay, for the decoy, resume the text and the things. Okay, this is the first vulnerability which I have researched. So I will share this thing with my clients because I think few of my clients using this WinRAR. I hope they are not because uh, they are using Mac or Linux. But who knows? Let's see. Okay, let's go with some other research. I have you seen this guy, this tool, the Perplexity? I'm sorry if my pronunciation is wrong, but the thing is, it's so handy. I just don't need to go and Google and clicking new tabs, and to see some more research. And for example, if I go and I discover and I have a topic here like interesting, okay, it's exactly like a Google News. I can feel, but I think it's more far better than Google News because Google News has some categories and it's showing what are the best main things are here and space which I have created just now. And thanks to Airtel, man, the Airtel have given these options to use the Pro version. Okay, mm, can I just go with let's see what it's going to say. So I'm going to skip to 3 minutes, so where we do guys don't need to wait. If you guys want to wait, just wait, no problem. Okay, here we go, and after 3 minutes, it has shown the data and the Kerberos elevations of the privilege vulnerabilities there, which has moderate severity, but the critical remote code execution vulnerability 202550165 9.8 critical based on the network based and no user interaction required. Affected is a Windows 11 with server 2025 malicious crafted GPG image embedded in Office document or other files. The no public exploits. Currently, no proof of concept available right now. Okay, but I think these exploits I will get from the darknet. I'm not sure about that. Okay, there is another Windows GDI remote code execution, CVSS score. Attack scenario can be triggered by uploading malicious document to the web services or simple browsing to the malicious web page. Okay, disclosed by Checkpoint Research on Microsoft Message Query and MSFQ. RC 8.1 high. Okay, so these are the best uh, thing. Wait a minute. Hyper-V plus privilege acceleration. Okay, no problem. I am because I'm using that kind of technology in my system. That's why I was worried. Okay, here the best thing. I bought this tool, Perplexity, and I feel that it has more other features. We will see it later, but right now I will go more research with this exploit which I have found. Then I will also make a video. Then we will see it. Thank you guys.